To enable and use battery protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the battery options. After that, we can scroll down to battery protection right here. You'll be able to enable or disable it already, but we can click on it to enter options. Now, to actually use it, you will need to scroll down, and there's a few different options. First is basic. So what battery protection does, it puts a limit on the battery charge. In both of the modes, your battery charging will be limited, kinda. So in basic, your battery is charged to 100% normally, but it will stop at charging when it reaches that 100% and let it drop to 95. This option, for me personally, I think it's pretty much useless, as you normally overnight, even if you charge your phone overnight, it reaches 100% in maybe 1 to 2 hours, and then the time before it drops to 95 is just pretty much non-existent. Like if you wake up, maybe it will drop to 2%, which means this feature won't do too much. So instead, I would recommend to put on maximum battery charging limit to protect your battery, and here you'll be able to adjust this limit. So depending on yourself, you can change it to something, and that way your phone will only charge to that amount of percentage, but at the same time should preserve your battery health. And that's how you can use it. You can also go for basic and enable or disable sleep time protection, which will stop charging at 80% instead when you're sleeping, and then finish up charging to 100% before you're gonna wake up. So we can use that with basic, and then it actually makes some sense to use it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.